Raya, go and get yours. Go and get yours. No, stop carrying on. Oh, go on. Stop it. You've already got one, dilly pot. You can't have the girls, the other two. Oh, God, I'm tongue twisted. No, go get yours. You bossy little thing. Raya. Raya. Hoi. What are you doing? Leave Prudence and Maisie's alone. Oh, you're telling us all about it this morning, you noisy little cow. Raya. Raya. You can't keep barking. You can't keep barking. Go get... No. Look. Come and get yours. Oh, hang on. I haven't got my crutches. Oh. Okay. What did you do with yours? Oh. You didn't bury yours, did you? And now you're trying to get the... Oh, dear. What? You're a bossy little thing? Where is it? Let's have a look. Oh, for heaven's sake. Will you stop it? No. No. Raya, where's your bone, darling? Don't go near Maisie, she'll take your head off. Oh, for heaven's sake. There you go, Mum found it. Oops, where are you? Oh, you've moved it already. How long are you going to be content with yours now? Now leave the other girls alone, okay? Righto.